If you need to contact GoDaddy support, one of the first things you may be asked for is your customer number. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your GoDaddy customer number quickly and easily. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and website tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you normally use. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar at the top. Now type in GoDaddy customer number and press enter. This is the fastest way to start looking for the information you need. After the search results load, look for official GoDaddy pages or support pages that mention account details, billing, or customer support. In many cases, your customer number may appear inside your GoDaddy account information, billing area, or support documentation. If you're already signed into your GoDaddy account, you may also be able to find it by checking your account dashboard, profile section, or any billing related page. If you don't see it right away, try searching within your GoDaddy account for terms like account number, customer number, or support information. You can also check past emails from GoDaddy, since account and billing emails sometimes include identifying details that can help when contacting support. The main goal is to locate the number you'll need before reaching out to GoDaddy customer service. Once you have it, you can use it when speaking with support, so they can quickly verify your account and help you faster. And that's it. That's how to find your GoDaddy customer number in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.